So guys, I'm super excited. I'm so grateful. It hasn't been easy. But at the end of the day, we are moving stronger and stronger. So this is my silver play button, my plaque for passing 100,000 subscribers. Gracious Choma. I am so excited. I started my channel last year. Yes, 2021, February 8th to be precise. So I am only a year and few months on YouTube, and I reached this milestone. Like, I am so grateful for my supporters. Thank you for everyone who has been watching my content. I appreciate your support. We are heading to getting gold plaque, 1 million subscribers, and we will get there. Thank you so much. I am so excited.